بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My friends, in our previous lecture, we have completed the grammatical explanation of lesson number 7. Today, we are going to continue with the theoretical part. Okay, and we will learn the usage of tilka in this lesson, inshallah. So let's begin. Man hazihi. Man is ismul istifham, noun of questioning, and hazihi ismul ishara lil qarib lil muannath, means demonstrative pronoun for the object or the person which is near. Okay, here hazihi is mubtada and man is khabar. How we come to know about this? We will come to know about this in the answer. Okay, as hazihi is mubtada here, so hazihi is mubtada here also. Okay, and the place of man has been taken by Aminatu in the answer, hence Aminatu is here khabar. Okay, so in this case man is khabar. Okay, now man hazihi, hazihi Amina or Aminatu. Who is this? This is Amina. Okay, waman tilka. Waw harfu ataf means conjunction, as similar man tilka. Now tilka is same as hazihi, but it only differs in one case. Hazihi is used for the object or person which is near, and tilka is used for the person or object which is far. Ismul isharati lil muannath lil ba'id. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun for the object or person which is far in feminine. Okay, in feminine form. Answer is tilka Fatimatu. Here all these answers are jumlatun ismiyatun, nominal sentences. Nominal sentences start with mubtada and they also have khabar. Khabar is that part which informs about mubtada. Okay, now this has got taqdiri i'rab, means it is not having tanween with dhamma or single dhamma, but it is marfu' because subjects or mubtadas are always marfu'. This is mabni, it is fixed, it does not change its i'rab, but its taqdiri i'rab will be marfu'. Fatimatu khabar. Now Aminatu and Fatimatu, these are taking single dhamma because both these are feminine names, and feminine names in Arabic ending with pa marbuta are mamnu min as-sarf. Mamnu min as-sarf are those nouns or those asma which don't decline completely. Okay, they will be taking dhamma in marfu state, fatha in mansoob state, and once again fatha in majroor state. This is called as partial declination. This woman tilka Fatimatu, and who is that? That is Fatima. Hazihi tabibatun wa tilka mumarridatun. Hazihi mubtada, tabibatun khabar, waw harfu ataf, tilka mubtada number 2 and mumarridatun khabar number 2. This is a doctor, female doctor, as ta marbuta is present in the word, and that is a female nurse, mumarridatun. हाज़िही मिनल हिंद व तिल्का मिनल याबानी. हाज़िही मुब्तदा. Now here khabar is not one word, it is not mufrad, it is shibu jumla. And what kind of shibu jumla is it? It is jar majrur. It is harful jarri and this is ism majrur. In short we call jar majrur. Okay, so collectively this shibu jumla, which is jaru majrur, is khabar for this mubtada, and similar is the case here for tilka. Okay, so waw harfu ataf, tilka mubtada number 2 and minal yabani khabar number 2. This is from India and that is from Japan. हाज़िही फ़वीलतुन व तिल्का क़सीरतुन. This is tall. Okay, फ़वीलुन we say long also, but as we are talking about the height of the person, hence we say tall. This is tall and that is short. Same, हाज़िही मुब्तदा, फ़वीलतुन खबर, वाव हर्फ अतफ, तिल्का मुब्तदा नंबर 2 and कसीरतुन खबर नंबर 2. This is tall and that is short. Man haza, haza Hamidun. Who is this? This is Hamid. Now haza is ismul ishara lil qarib lil muzakkar. Here haza mubtada, man khabar. Here haza mubtada, Hamidun khabar. Who is this? This is Hamid. Waman zalika, and who is that? Man ismul istifham, zalika ismul ishara lil qarib lil muzakkar. Sorry, ismul ishara वाव हर्फ अतफ, मन is ismul istifham and here it is also khabar, and zalika ismul isharati lil baqid lil muzakkar. And who is that? Here zalika is khabar and zalika is mubtada and qaliyun is khabar. Waw harfu ataf, man ismul istifham, zalika ismul isharati lil baqid lil muzakkar. Okay, man is khabar here and zalika is mubtada. Zalika mubtada and qaliyun khabar. Okay, and who is that? That is Ali. Let's continue with the remaining part. Atilka dajajatun. Is harful istifham. It has only two possibilities of answers. Okay, la or na'am. Is that the chicken or hen? La, no. This is harful jawab. Tilka bappatun. That is a duck. Mubtada khabar, mubtada khabar. Ma tilka. Tilka here is mubtada and ma is khabar. Ma is ismul istifham for ghairu aqil, means which does not have any intellect. And as we have seen previously, what is man? Man is ismul istifham lil aqil, means those who have intellect. So man is usually used for human beings. Okay, so tilka baydatun, that is an egg. Tilka mubtada, baydatun khabar. हाज़िही सय्यारतुल मुदर्रिसी व तिल्का सय्यारतुल मुदीरी. This is the car of the teacher and that is the car of the principal. हाज़िही मुब्तदा, सय्यारतु खबर व मुज़ाफ and mudaf ilayhi is this al-mudarrisi. Waw harfu ataf, tilka mubtada number 2, sayyaratu again khabar number 2 and mudaf, and al-mudiri mudaf ilayhi. Next one, asaqatu Abbasin hazihi. Is this the watch of Abbas? La, no. Hazihi saqatu Hamidin. No, this is the watch of Hamid. Wa tilka saqatu Abbasin, and that is the watch of Abbas. Same here, mubtada, khabar, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, waw harfu ataf, mubtada number 2, khabar number 2, mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Zalika dikun wa tilka dajajatun. This is a rooster and that is a chicken or hen. Zalika mubtada, dikun khabar, waw harfu ataf, tilka mubtada number 2 and dajajatun khabar number 2.